Welcome to Australia's Gold Coast, the home of Riviera luxury motor yachts, and to Marina Mirage for the world premiere of the 78 Motor Yacht. Over 40 years of Riviera evolution has seen over 5,800 motor yachts launched. In this time, immense skill, experience and an international award-winning team has been developed. Riviera today is over 900 designers, engineers and craftspeople whose dedication has created a new era luxury motor yacht. 3 years and over 76,000 man-hours have been employed in her research and development. This combined experience and development has created a luxury motor yacht of distinction. A Riviera like none before her. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the world premiere of the Riviera 78 Motor Yacht.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards? One broken caving in. Do you ever feel already very big? 16 on the screens, but no one seems to hear a thing. Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just baby, you're a firework. Come on, show them what you wear. Make them go, as you shoot across the sky. Even brighter than the moon. Even brighter than the moon.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now invite you to step aboard the magnificent Riviera 78 Motor Yacht.
Every single detail, you did the best job ever. It exceeds my expectations.
Also, I want to congratulate you and Riviera with this huge achievement.
I have goosebumps. It's just spectacular. Unfortunately, my husband and the girl's dad isn't here with us tonight. He's over in Las Vegas racing, but if he was here, he'd be pretty impressed what he's signed up for. It's amazing.
I really think that the Riviera has been listening to some of the ladies who enjoy boating, and beautiful kitchen. There's a bathroom on the flybridge, which of course comes in handy when there's just the two of us driving.
It is beautiful. Roger has said when we bought the 68, this is the last boat we're going to buy. May not be.
We started with a 47, went to a 58, went to a 60, went to a 68. Great Australian company, and we've got to keep this country alive, and it's just why we support Australia, and we just need to keep doing that.
Riviera's never built a motor yacht before, so this is new territory. So to watch it come out, to watch it be our grandest yacht ever in the entire 42 years was very special. To watch experienced owners stand on the dock and look out and go, wow, and see their appreciation and watch them as they've come on and looked at the boat more closely. That's really special. There's a lot of people say you can't do it, it's too hard. Well, the fantastic team we've got here says, yes, we can.
The Riviera Design Group, in collaboration with super yacht designer Luca Villabona, bring a combined passion for excellence to create a sophisticated yacht that delivers the perfect combination of family cruising, entertaining and blue water passage making capabilities.
I'm an architect, so all the architectures are in my heart. I still study architecture every day, as well as yacht design, obviously. But I'm really passionate about spaces, landscapes, and the way the spaces are related with the landscape. What I love is the way we mixing our different cultures, the Australian one and the Italian one. And in some way, I think we have found a good balance. To me, this production yacht design is something new, because in all my background, I really always did custom yachts. So dimensions starting from 30 meters and going up. The biggest GA I did was a 165 meters. So to me, it's very interesting. The first future flagship for Riviera was the open flybridge version. Along the process, Riviera decided to study the enclosed flybridge. Riviera asked the clients what they prefer, so we go with the enclosed flybridge. What we always thought about the 78 was to create the flagship and a new range in the future, where Australian practical way to build strong yachts could be merged with a more European style. We had a lot of time to define the exterior lines that had to be absolutely in a family feeling with the other range. It was correct to create a clear new character. On the stern, I had to create something to go up with the lines. So we created these two curved elements that we called wings. And these elements are probably the most emerging design elements for the 78. Now, I'm very happy. My commitment is total for Riviera, and I hope to see a lot of Riviera coming out from this collaboration.